Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the sum function in Power BI DAX. It is simple yet essential function for totaling up some numbers in your data. Okay, let me pull the data. We'll select the sheet and I'll directly load now. Okay, here you can see the table, sales table, and we have order ID, product, category, sales amount, quantity, and region. Now what we will do, we'll take sum of, by using sum, we can count all the sum here. Okay. So for this, we have to write the measure. I'll write select here, new measure. Okay. The syntax is very straightforward. Okay. You can see here, sum and column name. For example, if you have a sales table with a sales amount column, you can write like this, sales amount. And measure name that I can give as total sales and enter. The sum function adds all the numbers in the column and gives you the total, which you can use in the reports. Make sure the column is numeric or else sum won't work. Now we created a measure using the sum. Now I will pull the card. Add here total sales. Yeah, see here. It will show total of all the sales. Let me go here. If you can see, total sum is 2510. Sum of all these rows. And we can see 2510. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Power BI tips.